So Swicked, the plan. Tell them the plan, Nutella.
Yeah, we are go bad fountain right now, up in the bad side.
Yeah.
Castle with it now, you know. So we are go bad fountain now, and then we go Unruly River. You know?
What do you think?
Yeah, man, that is it, man. Don't know what you think going on, man. If I don't know what guys want to get the experience, no problem. Here to take you guys, you know?
Unruly. I've heard of Unruly River before. First time. Let's go, St. Thomas, Jamaica.
Here we come.
This is where we're at. You can still hear the chickens. They don't stop. The roosters all day long, all morning. They wake you up at 4:30.
Party last year December.
Umbrella up. Okay.
This
There we
last
go.
year, December.
This just happened.
Just happened just now. So a year to year